Welcome to this course on Power BI. This is the introduction to Power BI. Power BI is a suite of business analytics tools which connects to hundreds of data sources that are available either online or whether within your local environment, and also it simplifies data preparation and drives ad hoc analysis whenever there's a need, whether in businesses or any other organization that looks into data. Power BI also produces beautiful reports, as you will see later on how to create these different reports using Power BI. Power BI is also device agnostic, as it's accessible on web as well as mobile devices. So, what is the importance in marketing analytics of Power BI? So the importance of Power BI within marketing analytics, it helps to visualize the data. It also helps to track campaign performances where marketers spend on campaigns. So it's great for marketers to then see and track how the performance is doing on whatever they spend on. It's also great to understand customer behavior, which then also speaks to understanding the customer within businesses or any organization that wants to understand customer behavior as well. It also helps in making data-driven decision making, which helps businesses and organizations make informed decisions based on facts. Having a look at the Power BI interface. Within the interface, there's a blank canvas which has reports, as well as the fields pane, and also the visualizations pane, and also the filters pane as well. So when getting started with Power BI, there's two steps that you need to take. So the first is to install Power BI from the website and into your computer.